If your phone lagging or running slow, in this video I reveal most powerful hidden setting and tricks that can instantly make your Android phone faster and boost your Android phone speed. So don't miss it. Let's follow the steps. Open your phone setting. Now find out your about phone. Now tap on MIUI version, or it's called your mobile version, and sometime it show as a build number. So tap on this option for 7 times. After tapping 7 times on the build number on your phone, the developer option will be enabled. Now go back and scroll down. Tap on additional setting. Scroll down and see the developer option. So tap on here. Now scroll down. So if you want to make your Android phone faster, boost your Android phone speed, you should set animation scale 0.5x or your animation off. After doing this, scroll down. Now see background process limit. This setting is very important to boost your Android device and your Android phone make faster. So tap on here and now see there are lots of options. Standard limit, no background processes, at most 2. If you don't need more application run in your background, so you should select at most 2 processes. Go to your phone setting again. Tap on apps. Click on manage apps. And now see there are lots of installed application here. From your installed application, find out the most heavy and resource hungry application like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube and others. So find out them. For example, Facebook consume 1.85 GB. So tap on this application. Go to storage. Now tap on clear data. Now see the option clear cache. So you make sure most heavy application and find out them, then click the clear cache because it can slow down your Android device. So clear your cache data. In this way you can find out the most heavy and high storage consumption application and then clear the cache data. It helps your phone make faster and boost your Android device performance. So tech lover, please keep at least 20% of your phone storage is free. So viewer, please comment below which setting worked best for you.